All right. So thinking about what we did in number 2, right? We need to move the decimal. I'm going to use a different color. That way it's kind of a little bit easier to see. We have where it is now. It needs to be here. So it's moving once. So we'll start with the number that it ends up being, which is 3.186 times 10, right? Now from 3 to 31, it's getting bigger. So this time we are adding to our exponent instead of subtracting. This time we are adding to our exponent instead of subtracting. Okay? In 1 year, the total amount of garbage generated in a certain country was that many pounds. In the same year, the country's population was that many people. Determine the amount of pounds of garbage produced per person in that country in 1 year. And so from there, we have that many pounds, that many people we're dividing. So we have 7.617 times 10 to the 10th divided by 7.16 times 10 to the 7th. And that's going to be a whole hoopla of issues. So I'm just going to use a calculator for those numbers. The other ones were nice and easy. This one's not going to be. So you have 7.617 divided by 7.16. That is not a nice number. I don't know why they would do that to us. I bet I wrote down the numbers wrong. Whatever. All right. So we have 1.06, we're going to call it. We're just going to round. And this would be times 10. And we are going to subtract. So we are doing 10 minus 7, which is 3. You typically, in scientific notation, will never round. We'll never round. I will make sure for your test, quiz, all of that, you always have nice numbers. But that is what today's all about.